Captain Muba here with HobbyCaptain.com. At HobbyCaptain.com, you will find the world's largest selection of free paper airplane patterns. In this clip, I'm going to be demonstrating how to fold the Abhishek Orbiter. Now, this was shown to me by fellow YouTuber Abhishek. I'll be putting a link to his channel in the description below. And with these vertical canards, it really looks like it's heading to the International Space Station. Well, I've been flying it with this paper clip right up at the tip of the nose. I think that's really helps its flight characteristics. You may want to try that on yours. Well, let me take you over and show you how to fold this thing. Take a quick look at this pattern before we begin. We've got a total of 9 steps. Got a whole bunch going on up around the nose. And we've got this 1-6 with a solid line, which I don't think you've ever seen before. This is going to be a special line, and we'll just have to work through how we're going to do that. So starting off on step 1, I'm going to fold the paper in half right along line 1-6. Okay, now step 2, the dashed line represents that the line will be on the inside of the fold, so I want it to go this way, but that's pretty hard to do. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to fold it opposite first, so this time the line is on the outside of the paper. And that just helps me stay on my line. Okay, now fold 1, still there. Fold 2 here, that crease should help me land the fold in the correct spot. Okay, and now the opposite side of step 2. I can just bring these corners together, put them right on top of each other, and fold the line down, and it'll be nice and symmetric. Okay, and we'll be on to step 3. So step 3, we'll just fold a nose like so. And we've got to do that to both sides. So again, on this fold, I'm going to just bring the edges together and be a little bit less concerned about hitting the line, although we'll probably be really close here. All right, so step 4. Before we go to step 4 now, I'm going to unfold step 1. I'm going to flip the paper over, and we're going to make step 4, which is here, from the blank side. So step 4, we're going to bring the nose over here. Now I control these folds with geometry, or with the lines with the geometry to create the fold I want. And this line, I just couldn't get it quite right. So if it's not exactly on for yours, blame it on me. Okay, so there's step 4. Now step 5, that dashed line again represents that the fold is on the inside, so we'll take the nose down. And step 6. Now step 6 was 1-6. Now if you remember, we folded line 1 like this. Now it's flat, and now we're going to go the opposite direction. So step 6, we reversed that direction. Okay, now we're on to step 7. Step 7, I can see the line through the paper here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try to use that to get me started. And I'm going to use this chunk of the line that I can see. Okay. And the opposite side of 7, again, just bring the two sides together so that they're symmetric. Okay, and I'm a little bit off there, but I think it'll be all right. Okay, so now steps 8 and 9, we want to fold this up and make it a 90-degree fold, and this up, make that a 90-degree fold. And same with steps 9 here. And then I'm going to crumple the back up a little bit. Now, I've been playing around with this, and I've been adding a paper clip to this side of it. I've even put it just directly on the nose here, but I've been putting a paper clip in this area, and that's really helped this thing slide out. The other thing you can pay attention to is this one tends to want to lay really flat, and if you kind of work the fold back up so it's more of a V shape here, that will actually really help this thing fly better too. All right, well, I'm going to go give this thing a few tosses. Please leave a like and a comment. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I hope you enjoy this paper airplane.